on everything, show you guys how everything looks, put on the Converse, show you what I'll probably be wearing with it. I'll try to get you guys a quick run around, and it's pretty nice, so make sure you get outside and have yourselves a day.
Oh man, forgive me.
What's up, guys? So this probably isn't going to be a whole vlog episode. It's going to be actually the first unboxing for WA Vlogs. So I got a couple things, a couple items from the Travis concert that was in New York. It was at Terminal 5. I shouldn't laugh, but you guys probably heard that dude jump from the 3rd story.
Come here, take this ring. Hey, pick him up, pick his ass up, give him this ring. Gotta put this ring on him. Pick him up, man. No, wait. So put the ring on his hand.
So Travis said there was only one more song left. He jumped, supposedly broke both of his legs. There's a video of it that I found last night on a forum. I'll link it in the description. And at the 15:42 mark, you can see the dude just like jumping. The dude ended up getting paralyzed, supposedly. Nobody knows yet, but Travis has been in contact with him. But Travis gave him like this $7,000 Cartier ring. And everybody just thinks it's funny, like, it's not worth losing both of your legs. But Travis said he was gonna get a tat of him on his side, which is like dope, but nah, I'd rather keep my legs. I'm pretty sure if you guys are watching this video, that's what you wanna see. I ended up hitting up one of my buddies and he got them for me, so thanks, man. Appreciate that. Everything's printed on Champion. I think the sweatpants were reverse weave. I had some dude like trying to tell me I was too young to know what reverse weave is. Oh, they even shipped it in a bag. Actually, that's not a Terminal 5 bag. Yeah, so let's get outside and check everything out.
Beat on the beat.
Sweatpants right now, they were retailed at 80. The hoodie was retailed at 120. The sweatpants are on like Grail and eBay for, I want to say 300 to 500, and then the hoodie is going for $700 to $1,000. I also went out the other day. I bought a bottle of Credit Protect for the Converse, and I was talking to my roommates. I was gonna put ketchup on the shoes like they do on the commercials. I'm glad I didn't do that because I sprayed them like 3 times and they still didn't really work. But I'm also going to the Travis concert this month in 2 weeks. Going to go see Kehlani too. Got meet and greets for Kehlani, meet and greets for Wale, and then trying to get a hookup with Travis. Hopefully I can meet Travis. That'd be pretty dope. That'd be pretty crazy for the vlog. The new Travis Love Galore music video with SZA is, man, I probably watched that video like 40, 50 times. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it's crazy.
Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in a wreck, me in a mess. You all I rep, like my side I rep. That's that Mo City, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to give me eye, do no one know I'm beside.
I sent it to like 20 different people. And like 5 people hit me back and they were like, yeah, that was the worst video I've ever seen. And I was like, oh, like bet, like yeah, it wasn't that great, but I love it. I ended up like deleting it and like re-uploaded it because Travis had like deodorant armpit stains and like some other garbage from like the label. But I'm like super excited for the new Travis album. Somebody said it's not gonna come till fall. Some people said it might come July, but Astro World, I cannot wait. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll try to get a couple fire angles in there for you guys. So yeah, look out for the next vlog.
Yeah. Family, ooh, flat birds, power, I will go.
friends. Still sitting with the same ones in my top 10.